For sex violence and assault during the Bosnian War from 1992 up until 1995, there was an epidemic of sexual violence. However, estimate range between these sex violence is 20,000 up until 50,000. But the Bosnian legal system is unresponsive in prosecuting men who committed sexual assault during the war. Victims risk losing thousands of euros in court fees if they sue the Republika Srpska for damage caused by sexual assaults committed by their soldiers during the war. So, for the freedom of expression, according to UNESCO, Diversity of Cultural Expression in 2012, Bosnia scored 52 out of 100, which showed that their media were partly free. So, even though within the Bosnian legal legislation guarantees the freedom of expression, the politicians still pressure the journalists and media outlets in form of threat or pressure to have ties with them. So, for Srebrenica massacre, Srebrenica massacre happened in 11 up until 22 July 1995 during the late period of Bosnian War, involved more than 8,000 Bosniaks, men and boys, in Srebrenica city. It was conducted by the Bosnian Serbs Army of Republika Srpska under the command of Ratko Mladic. According to the former Secretary General of UN, Kofi Annan, the genocide was considered as the worst crime in Europe since World War II and the second worst genocide after the Holocaust. The perpetrators, Ratko Mladic, has judged in the International Criminal Court, The Hague, for his role in the massacre. However, the soldiers that involved were not convicted. The punishment for Ratko Mladic was life imprisonment only, but still impending. So, for the last slide is a quote by Josip Broz Tito, which is the president of Yugoslavia, that mentioning, "I am the leader of a one country which has 2 alphabets, 5 nationalities, 6 republics surrounded by 7 neighbors, a country in which live 8 ethnic minorities." So Bosnia is a very difficult country for you to control because there is this quite different numbers. So that's all from me. Thank you.